Bless up my viewers and subscribers. May I talk about a video here with the teacher and her 14-year-old daughter we get on a you know, it's a sticky situation, you know. It's really sticky because may I try to come to terms why that man here kill the woman and kill the little girl, cause you know the child innocent, the child not have nothing to do with what the mother do, and me not condone with no man for kill no woman, or me not condone with nobody at all for kill nobody, because we can't blow breath but we still a take life, you know. And it really sad to see how she lose her life, she and her daughter. And if a story go like where me really see her go around where she have him 3.8 million and no one give it to him, you can't take people money and hold on pan and no one give them. You understand me? Because as females we have to understand ourselves too. Because the people they work, the man they work hard for their money. The man they work hard for their money. And if you I go hold on pan him money and no one give him, he might go be upset, he might be mad, but me sorry, him get mad in a way that him decide to kill her and kill her daughter. But we have to stop some things. Females, we need to look in ourselves and stop take them money and money. Stop take the man them money and promise them sex. Stop taking man them money in whatever we know taking man them money and no want them, or stop take the man them money, borrow the man money and no want give him back. Me no know how the money story part type go. But we as females need to look in ourselves and stop something, because at the end of the day, it all boils down to we are lose our life and we pitney their life, we innocent children their life. And we need to stop it. We need to stop something also as females. Cause we are do too much and I do the most sometimes. And then I not only we alone it a come down and it a come down and we pitting them and we family them. And we have to stop some things for true. And the male them, men, me hope you can find another way for resolve on a problem them. Resolve on a conflict with women instead of killing them. Resolve things. Take it to the right authorities. Take it to the law. Take it to the law. See how best the law can help you know. But me not condone for no kill the woman them and not kill the innocent pitney them. But woman, females, we don't need to look in on ourselves too. We need to stop some things because society create a stigma like say men not have no feeling. Them have feelings too. But the feeling where them have not it not say them fi go kill nobody, go kill no woman and no picnic or kill nobody at all. But not every man can hold them own certain way. Some man can deal with some things mentally. And not every male deal with things mentally and can hold it like a G. Some man crash out when it come to their money. Just like how some woman crash out when it come to their money certain way, the man them crash out over their money too. And we have to stop and think and do the right things. Yo, females, for God's sake, we not do the right things, man. And stop cause it a cause on no life and no pitney them life. And it not sit well, it not look good. And we have to just be real. We have to be real. Because some of we talk bias and be hypocrite because true we are woman. We not tell the woman them the truth. But me, one like me I go speak my truth. Because we don't need to hear it. Do the right things, man. Anyway, we don't have a blessed evening, you know.